Hello YouTube, welcome back. Today I went to Costco and stumbled upon this little neat remote control car. This RC car is called the Power Craze. One of the big selling points for me is that this thing is only 15 bucks and can go up to 17 miles per hour. The two colors available are green and blue. I think the blue one looked nicer, so I decided to pick that one up. So a few features of this little RC car is that the speed can go up to 17 miles per hour. It is on the 2.4 GHz channels, which eliminates problem of radio interferences. This is the rear wheel drive RC car that includes shocks and 4x4 suspension. It also has working headlights, so that's a plus. So let's go ahead and unbox this RC. The Power Craze comes with a USB charging cable, a screwdriver, and some rubber stopper for the shell of the car. Here we have the remote control. We have the battery compartment. And here's the knob to turn left and right. We have here the trigger to move forward and backward. If we look in front of the controller, we have here the low and high speed, which we can toggle back and forth. Right beneath it, we have the on and off button. Here we have the manual that shows you how to charge and operate the Power Craze. And finally, here we have the Power Craze. The RC is pretty small and can fit in the palm of your hand. It is pretty light, but it seems to be well built. The wheel are rubber and the shell has a frame around it, so I think it should be able to handle many impact during use. Alright, so let's put it to the test. Oh, flip it. I was pretty impressed by how quick this RC car was. I was able to get about 20 minutes of playtime out of one single charge, and it charged fairly quickly. This would definitely make a great little gift for the holiday. If you enjoyed this video, you can help my channel a lot by liking this video, leaving a comment or suggestion below, and consider subscribing to my channel if you have not already. Thank you so much for watching.